Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the BFR-DAK. This is a replacement discharge adapter kit. Let's just take a visual look at this discharge kit. That's really what this video is going to be. Visual and dimensional evidence. 2-inch. Underneath that rubber seal, that outside diameter is about 1.25 inches. At the other end, 1 inch. Okay. It weighs 0.36 pound. Plate, 2.25 by about 1.5 inches. It's also going to include a couple of hex cap bolts and lock washers. They're sometimes called split washers. Okay. Now, let's take a look at the extended description, and I'll show you where you can come up with some, hopefully, important documentation. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. All right, here's the item that we are looking at. Let's take a look at some photographs that we have. There's the packaging, then the contents. And then the 2 screws. Now, there is a link below, as seen here, to the manufacturer's page within our site. And from here, you can view not only all of the Buckeye products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation here, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as here, as well as a link to the most current product catalog that we have, and any encyclopedic documents that we'll have about this manufacturer's product line would be indeed posted on this page. Anything else that's technical regarding this manufacturer would be kept on this page. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If there are any questions on the Buckeye, this is their part number BFR-DAK replacement discharge adapter kit, or any other Buckeye product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.